how you get so fly.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be finally filming my Sephora Vib sale haul. This is the second time I'm trying to film this video because the first time I was out of focus and then I accidentally deleted my footage. Hopefully this goes well because I'm really excited to show you guys what I got from the Vib sale, and I feel like this was a while ago. So here is my Sephora box here. I got quite a few things. I love the Vib sale. It gives me time to stock up on things that I use on the daily and don't necessarily want to buy full price. And it gets me a chance to try something new. So if you guys do enjoy this video and you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, as well as turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload. I'm going to be having a giveaway really soon because I am going to be cleaning my Alex drawers out for my makeup storage because it's just crazy full right now and I don't really have a place to put the stuff, so it's going to be sooner than later. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys what I got from the Vib sale. So the Vib sale was a couple weeks ago, and since I'm Vib Rouge, I get 15% off. I believe that Beauty Insiders get 10% and VIBs also get 15%. So it's not really a huge discount, but it does save you a little bit of coin. So the first thing I got was this Fenty Beauty set here. I've always wanted to try the Gloss Bomb and I'm completely obsessed with it. I've worn this gloss in a couple of my videos already. I believe my MAC haul as well as my vlog that I did a couple weeks ago. I was wearing this because, you guys, I think it's because the full-size Gloss Bomb is probably around like $25 to $28, and like I just didn't want to spend that much money on a gloss. So this little set here is going to be perfect for my makeup bag. I carry these around with me everywhere already and I've already used it. So it does come with the Hustla Baby Kilowatt highlighter. I do have this in full size, but you guys, I definitely need travel size highlighter because highlighter is the very last step in my routine as far as like my face goes. So sometimes I do leave the house without highlighter and do it like on the go kind of thing. So this is the perfect size for my makeup bag. And then it comes with the Gloss Bomb, of course. This is a really good size. If I was like new to the brand or whatever, like I would actually think this is full size. It's pretty big. So I love this. I don't know why it took me so long to buy it. Like, if you are looking for a gloss and you've been sort of on a gloss kick lately, because I've been on a gloss kick lately. I think it's the really nice weather outside, but I just love that lip gloss. Anyways, next thing I got was this. So this is also from Fenty Beauty. It is the Fairy Bomb Glittering Pom Pom. And it just has so cute packaging. So this, I want to say this was around $68 Canadian. It's super expensive, but it smells so good. It smells like coconut. Anyways, so this is the puff right here. It is pretty big, and basically you just kind of like pat it on your shoulders and anywhere that you want to highlight or whatever, like places you want to highlight, and the powder basically comes out of the puff. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. I heard it's really good. I've also seen videos of people cutting this up. I don't know why you'd want to cut up a $67 or $68 beauty product, but you know, I always cringe when I see those videos. The next thing I got, this I actually got like a couple days before the Vib sale because this was like sold out everywhere. It was sold out online. My Sephora had like one left over, so I decided to just pay full price for it. I think this was also ridiculously expensive, around the $50 range. This is the Face and Body Kabuki brush from Fenty Beauty. It's just so cute, and the packaging, it looks like a perfume bottle, whatever packaging. It's really cute. Anyways, if you guys haven't seen this or the Rihanna tutorial for it, basically you take Body Lava or whatever. I have a NARS product that's very similar to the Body Lava, and that's what I'm going to be using instead, just because I don't want to be spending another $80 on Body Lava. But basically you put the liquid on the brush and you do something like this.
But you never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh.
the tutorial is on Rihanna's IG and I had to recreate it without the liquid. Anyways, so that's how you basically do it. You just kind of just brush it on your skin, highlight whatever you want to highlight your chest area, highlight your shoulders. This summer, everybody's just going to be a glazed donut and I love it. So that's that. The next thing I got was a foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is the foundation that I always use. I use it in all my videos. I'm like obsessed with this foundation and I've been using it since last year, I want to say. So I've gone through, this is my third bottle of it and I am in the color Porcelain. So the next thing I picked up was also from Too Faced. What is with the name on this product? Please, somebody tell me, somebody explain to me why they thought this name was a good idea. I don't know, because I feel like Too Faced is very like cutesy packaging and this is kind of weird. Like honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like it's something that NARS would do. NARS already has like kinky names for their products, but really Too Faced, I mean I do get it because you do get the Better Than Sex mascara and everything else is peach, but why? Why? Anyways, this, if you pick up anything from Sephora this year, this would have to be what I recommend the most because this is going to be so good for the summertime. It comes with all of the stuff you guys see on the front. It's only like $50 Canadian or like 55 Canadian. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with prices because I'm just, yeah, my invoice is probably at the bottom of this box somewhere, but I believe this was like 55 Canadian. You do get a full size. I've wanted to try this stuff for so long since the Peach collection came out, but as you guys know, Too Faced is kind of expensive. So this is like the full size product. I believe this retails for around $35 Canadian. It is like a lot of product, you guys. So this is the Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder infused with peach and fig cream. So it looks like that. It also comes with this cooling matte primer and I've been using this for the past couple days and I think that it's really, really good. Like it feels so nice when you're putting it on your skin. It's like really cooling. I don't know, honestly I do have oily skin, so I think that this is a good product for that, but nothing is ever going to keep me matte all day long. Like I'm gonna have some oil somewhere. It's just how my skin is, so I don't expect miracles, but this does a pretty good job. This does a pretty good job at keeping my makeup on, and I think this is going to be great for people in the summertime, especially because it is cooling, it feels nice on the skin, and it's mattifying, and who doesn't want like a matte nice finish on their face, you know? It also comes with a full size Better Than Sex mascara. I love this stuff. The only thing that I don't like about it is it kind of flakes off throughout the day, but you know, no mascara is gonna ever be perfect for me. And it also comes with this mattifying setting spray. It's just fun to shake around and it's just really, really cute packaging. Again, this is a really good size. So this is 30 ml, so this is about the same size as a foundation. So it's, you know, it looks small, but it has a lot of product in it. Also the primer, it is, let's see, the primer is 20 ml, so a little bit less than half the size of a full-size primer. I believe full-size primers are around 50 ml, but again, this is a really good size. It's 10 ml less than a normal foundation. So all of the products in here are really good sizes. You're getting such a good deal with this set, and I think that honestly, this is a really great like summer skincare, not skincare, like skin perfecting set from Too Faced. So good job with this. I just don't like the name. Okay. The next thing I got was from Huda Beauty, and I have two of these already. I have one in Trophy Wife and one in Muse, and I just love these. Okay, first of all, the packaging is so cute. I believe I paid $26 for this. Like the regular price is $30 and I paid $26. So it does come with 3 things in here. It comes with a full-size lip liner in the color Bombshell. It comes with a matte lipstick in Bombshell, and this is a pretty good size, honestly. I have Muse always with me everywhere. Like it's always in my makeup bag. It's definitely like my go-to lip product, my go-to matte lip product. I like it as much as I like Posy K, and I'm completely obsessed with Posy K. So I use that on the daily almost, and I've been using it since about December, since I got it. December or November, and I have not run out of it at all. I don't see signs that it's finishing anytime soon, so this is a really good size for a liquid lipstick. Trust me, it's not as small as you think it is gonna be. And it also comes with this gloss in the color Ritzy, and this is like a metallic gold. I think that this would look good in the summertime, maybe on like the center of my lips, but it's a scary kind of color for me when I'm looking at it in the packaging. Definitely love these Huda Beauty lip tints too. I just think that's so cute. All of my stuff, as you guys can see, is like rose gold and peachy tones. I love it. So the next thing I got was this, and again, this is such a good deal. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I use this on the daily. Like, I haven't had a makeup spray last so long. I'm on the last little bit, but I've been using that for the past 6 months, and I honestly have not had, like, even my Fix Plus doesn't last that long. My Fix Plus would last like about 3 months, but I don't know, just a little goes a long way. This is a really great setting spray. It's very cooling, very nice. This was $40, and it comes with 2. It's such a good deal, honestly, because one is $40, so you're basically getting one for free. And they are full size, if you guys were wondering. It does say online exclusive on the Sephora website, but I did see these in stores, so I just thought this was an amazing deal. Honestly, like 2 for $40, and you're getting 15% off, so this was around, like, it was less than 40, it was 30 something. So this is such a good deal. If you are looking for a really good setting spray, I highly recommend this. This is the last product until I get to the samples at the bottom of the box. So I saw this on Instagram. Never go on trend mood if you don't want to buy makeup, because you're gonna buy makeup. So if you guys don't know who Vlada is, Vlada MUA on Instagram, she does like lip art. She does like a melted metallic lip. She's like amazing. Anyway, she's teamed up with Smashbox to create this product, and it's just, I don't know, I don't think I've ever seen a makeup product this pretty before. Like, the outer packaging is amazing, and the inner part of it is also amazing. It's shaped like a rose. I have not used this yet just because I wanted to do this haul, and I don't know, I'm really excited to finally use this. So yeah, this is from Smashbox and Vlada MUA's collection. It's in the color Gilded Rose, if you guys were wondering. And yeah, it's just this really pretty rose gold packaging. I'm obsessed. This was expensive. This was $49, so I'm glad that I picked it up when it was during the sale. I'm glad this came out right when the sale did, so very happy and excited about that. The last thing I got was this Prada Candy sample. This is a perfume that I love so much and that I wear like on the daily. If you're wondering what I actually smell like, I smell like Prada Candy usually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone.
Damn, I kept my wits about me luckily. What happened between us that night? It always seems to trouble me. Now all of a sudden these gossip rags wanna cover me, and you making it